Denji, my boy, you know we're grateful for your years of service, yes?
Yeah, of course.
You're as loyal and obedient as a dog, and to top it off, you work for cheap treats like one as well. Only problem with dogs is I can never tolerate the stench. The Yakuza may be powerful, but even the ones on top dream of getting bigger and richer. So we took a page from your book and struck a deal with the devil. We wanted to obtain demonic power and see ourselves grow stronger.
Whereas I want to see every devil hunter in existence perish. I have to tell you, little devil hunter, I've met rocks that were smarter than these louts. Such gullible fools. I offered them a shred of my demonic power, and they willingly handed their freedom to me on a silver platter. Little did they know the power they sought would turn them into zombies, since I'm the zombie devil. You really should have chosen an occupation that doesn't butcher my kind, because now I have to butcher you. Go, mindless minions. Tear them apart and toss every piece you collect into the dumpster.
Shit! Get off me! It's not like I was asking to be freaking king of the world. Just dreaming of a normal life was enough to keep me going. But I don't even get to have that much! Pochita! Or slaughters you in cold blood. There are some devils in the world that can take over dead bodies, or so I've heard. If you happen to be one of them, Pochita, I hereby give you full permission to take whatever's left of me. Wait until after I'm buried, though, so the Yakuza won't be on your case. Then, you could up and leave this town, and be ordinary. I want you to live a normal life, and die a normal death. You'll live out the dreams I never could. Pochita. You did it, huh? Took my body like I asked?
Just so you know, I've always loved listening to you talk about your dreams, Denji. Here's a new contract for you. This time you're getting my heart. In exchange, show me your dreams. That's all I ask of you.
Pochita! I'm in one piece. Can't really say I blame you for that. Dreaming's not a bad thing, but if you're gonna get in our way, then you can all die!
defeating him's bound to keep that whelp dead for good. What in the world are you? Did that runt of a devil you were with take control of your body? That means you're one of us!